Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to turn off repost on your Instagram. Now if you want to turn off repost on your Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on your device. So if you have not installed the Instagram app, you just need to install it App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the Instagram app on your device. And as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram. At the very bottom taskbar, you'll see various options, and at the very upper taskbar, you'll be able to see all of the people who have shared stories. So to turn off the repost for your account, you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and from here click on the option of menu icon at the very top right, and here you just need to click on the option of account center, and here you'll see the option of profile setting across profile, login with accounts, and all of it. So click on the option which is setting across profile, and here as you can see, I have only linked one account in this account center. So if you have multiple accounts, you just need to toggle allow refreshing to feed, and there you'll see the option of on and off. So you just need to click on the option of off to repost for your account. So that's it. That's how you can turn off repost for your account. And for stories, you just need to click on the option of settings and privacy, and here you will be able to see the option of story and location, and under sharing. So and for story, you will be able to see the option which is sharing. So click on the option of sharing, and here you'll see the option that says stories that are mentioned in and stories in messages. So you may simply turn this both off and you'll be able to turn off the repost for stories. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.